Anyway, guys.
We just assembled these chairs, though. We thought we were recording on the mic. Really?
I thought we were recording, but yeah, we just assembled this one. And no, chill.
Yeah.
We're about to do a competition. Are you ready? Yeah!
Don't break your back.
Don't break your back. Say you love me. The mother for that one. So the next task. Wait, where is the next task to them?
And the next, it's my husband's idea that we should do competition.
I want to give you guys content. It's content. First to assemble. And trust me, to be very honest with you, my wife is better at this thing than I am. So I'm sure she's gonna win me. But
that's how they used to talk.
But I'm serious. So, but I still want us to have fun doing it. So this item and this are the same, and we want to see who is going to be first to assemble it. Can I cut this out? We don't have an idea how to assemble it yet. Chimo. So it's gonna be fun. I mean, we do this as a team rather. But I just feel like instead of you guys just watching us doing it, why don't you watch the fun part of it? Babe,
It's okay.
are you cool with that?
It's fine.
If you're not cool with it, let me know. This is healthy competition. And I'm not trying to win or anything. Okay, open your box.
Open. You know we see the topper says.
Hey! Are you started?
Yes, I'm accepting.
Oh, yeah. I don't even know what to do in the office.
I'm just waiting for the manual.
Yeah, I found my own man now. Okay.
I found my.
Baby, sing for me, please. Ba-da-da-da. So this is love world. Love. Sing for me, please. So this is love. Ba-da-da-da-da-da.
What are you saying, man? You have a whole set of
A lot, but the space is normal one.
So you have a whole set.
Now with my wheels.
Maybe I don't know. You were saying that.
I'm even surprised because you are like always faster than me in things like this.
These views, you are just pushing them in now. These views are just basically pushing them in.
Yeah, but we need to push them in from the right hand. Follow that one. You check the mouth. No, don't force it. It's not forced at all. The tire will be facing ahead. Yeah. You just go. If it doesn't go, tilt it right and left a little bit. No. Let me see that one.
Because this one went like straight. Yeah, second.
Shouldn't this place. It's pointing. And time to do this.
was like, I lost photos of everything. This one, you just put it in on it.
Yeah. It's shaped like this. The bottom is smaller. It gets bigger. That's why you do. No. Remove it. Remove it. You're not checking very well. Check. This is not even what your stitch should stand. Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make
This place that they told us to leave open. It's not now that the guy told us to not tighten it. This place that
It's too simple. Like when you got everything. My own challenge now is this place. Don't leave me without one.
Roger.
Now, can you see what I'm saying? Just come and take a look. Come and take a look. When this one aligns, yeah? When this one aligns, this one will reach. The metal is 2 bits. So that's why I didn't jump. Because you read this one jump. As for clearing,
Once you put it in, it doesn't.
talk to the farm.
Hi guys. So I actually eventually won this challenge. Very funny.
So,
Although
she
Baba
won the
had-
challenge.
Mama had a challenge. It was actually faster than me also.
I was faster.
So at the end, I literally mounted my chains before him.
And the thing is, my metal was shorter, needed strength to widen and tighten.
Yeah.
That was what weakened me. So, but it's all good. It's not a competition. In the end, we had 2 chairs finished around the same time of one. That was the goal.
So let's fit on these 2 bits.
Yeah, let's first clear some of these things.
Guys, this is furniture assembly day 2. This is day 2 nights. Oh, it's not been easy. In fact, we even lost the files for last night's recording safe, but it's fine.
Yeah, we set up
We set up
this and
Yes,
the
and-
bigger one.
exactly the that bigger one was like way more challenging. You
Last
know,
night.
last night. And then we've done this today.
And those
We'll show you when we are done, Sha. And all this. These are like 2 side tables. These are the drawers, 4 drawers for this big guy. So this is like like call it drawer or dresser or something. Just a very big piece of furniture that has like 4 drawers, Sha. It's like a little bit tall as well. So this is the update. Update. This is the update.
I said I should update you.
I said we should we said we should update you, Nay. Alright, guys. Yeah, guys. So this is what we have here. This is like the body or the back.
Let me show you what it's gonna look like.
Yeah.
When we put the drawer in.
Yeah.
We put all these things. We assembled all these things, guys.
Everything together.
Everything came in as boxes. I'm sure you guys already saw.
Everything came in as pieces of wood. Literally. And some nails and screws. Hey. Look at that. Just
Perfect.
take a look at that. So we're going to have like all 4 of that assembled.
Let me put it all there. You can hold it if you want to move. If you still need it.
Okay. So Uncle also feels like showing us the full picture.
By the way, guys, the woman behind the camera is my partner in construction. I wasn't by myself.
At all. In fact, I did like a lot.
She
I don't want to say
this one all alone
you literally
while I
like.
was in the meeting. So, see, our house looks like carpenter workshop right now.
Oh,
By the time we are done, maybe
sorry.
by the time we are done, it's going to look like. Oh my God, the last
so
piece.
Beautiful.
Can you see what it's looking like? Can you see it?
This chair is blocking the view.
My block view, my go along one level. Hey, don't, I should be just translating. Don't cover the glory of the Lord.
Wow. This video is not doing justice, guys.
So this is gonna be like a second drawer, and then these are gonna be side tables to the bed.
And guys, this is still the bed.
The bed will be
This is still
we'll
the
fix
bed.
the bed tomorrow.
Yeah. And that's the final thing we are doing tomorrow. That's the bed and that's all. Although we'll not still do.
We'll still buy couch and TV console.
At least I'm going to rest from.
TV.
I was saying I'm going to rest for furniture assembly.
Yeah, by the time we do
By the time
tomorrow,
we do.
latest Monday, we're already buying the couch.
Yeah.
Hope this vlog is not boring you guys. All this furniture, this thing. Anyway, you guys say you want to see real life in Canada. This is real life in Canada, alright? So, if you want to get furniture here, there are 2 options. You either buy used furniture from Facebook Market, Kijiji, and the likes, and there they will
They are
deliver it to
probably
you.
already assembled.
But then depends on the quality you are looking for. You might not find what to fit your entire house. Like we were able to design what our room and our house should look like at IKEA, because at IKEA store we saw all these things already put together.
Yeah.
We selected what we wanted from their showroom. Then to buy them, we now go to the warehouse. Yes, that needs to mess my brain. We now go to the warehouse where we now get the boxes and all that, and it is your responsibility to couple it by yourself. If you do not want to do it by yourself, yes, you could call craftsmen that will come and do it for you, but they're going to charge you.
They're going to charge you.
And what's the gain? Like, this is teamwork. We are bonding. Putting wisdom together, studying manuals. It's just fun. I mean, it's stressful. My back hurts.
But it's fun. Like,
it's fun.
Seeing the furniture come together and come to life. Like, I mean, look at this guy.
Now I believe without doubt that we can get the bed done.
No, I believe if you can do all this, their bed is gonna be a piece of.
And that's it. It's fun, guys. And I'm really glad that we're able to show you guys real life. Like, this is it. By the time this house comes together now, it's gonna be beautiful.
Maybe we'll do another house tour. I don't know.
Yeah, we have a center room. We've never set that one up. This place is too rough.
This place is just too rough.
And we were not going to arrange our house because of camera.
Eh.
We will not do that. This is reality. Enjoy it.
Alright, guys.
Bye, guys. Hey, guys. How are you doing today? It's a new day. Today we're going to set up our bed in the room. We've set up every other thing. All the furniture that we bought, we've set it up by ourselves. I'm sure you've seen a video. and we set up our bed today. But this package just came in from Amazon. A Stalwart Fam, reached out to us that she wanted to send us some things, and yeah. But the testimony in this gift, as well as other testimonies, is just in the nick of time. God makes us understand that while we are yet speaking, He hears us. Myself and my wife, we were on the way, we were taking a walk or something, or we were coming from Walmart or something, and we were like, these are our jackets. They are fine, though. We are already getting used to the cold, though. But most people that we see here, they wear thicker jackets, and we wanted to go and buy. I don't just know how. We just lost track of buying that. We got busy with other things, and we were like, okay, maybe tomorrow we should go and see where we can get some thick jackets, warm jackets for the weather. And that was how I woke up the next morning, and this lady had sent us messages on Instagram that God laid it in our hearts to buy us jackets. Guys, I don't know how this God does it, but all I can tell you is that it pays to serve God. God is our Father and He sees to our needs. We were going to use our money to buy the jackets, and we will thank God because He has provided the money. But to see God being so detailed, we did not even pray. We were just like, we need to get the jackets tomorrow. And the next morning, I woke up, she sent a message to Store Lovers. She didn't get a reply. She sent a message to me personally. She didn't get a reply. She now looked for one of our friends that we have featured on Divine Friends on the video, and sent him a DM on Instagram that she should tell us to check our DM. And I saw the DM, and she wanted to buy us jackets. We were even going to go to thrift stores and probably get some used jackets or new, depending on the money. But she decided to order new jackets for us from Amazon. One of them just came in this morning. So many of them will come at different times. One of them just came this morning, and I'm just grateful to God, most importantly, for being just so intentional with us. We didn't even pray about it. It was just mere talk. God is wonderful, and we are grateful. And God bless you, everyone who have sown into our lives. A Stalwart Farm sent us money this morning. She just sent us a message that she wanted to sow into our life. She's praying for our kind of testimony, and we are very open to those who want to sow, but it has to come from, it has to come from your heart. She was like, oh, she knows it takes a lot to settle down. She sent us some cash. Like, come on. I need to add gifts from men as my other sources of income. God is our source, man. Every resource just keeps increasing. But when God is your source, you never lack nothing. Anyway, this is the jacket. I've already opened the box, and this jacket is the thickest jacket I've ever known. I think it's very suited for this weather. Okay, this is large, so that's my own size. Sister B, your own will come, eh? Binu? It's on the way. And these are brand new, guys.
Hi guys. Oh, how do you feel?
Yes, easy now, auntie. Close your leg.
As in, there's even now.
I'm already hot. Sister, there's no. The room is warm. Actually. Wow, the most humbling thing about this is how God just stepped in. Like, I can't get enough of this God. I will serve Him to my very last.
Wow,
guys, it pays to serve God. That's all I can say. It pays to serve God. I feel like a pampered son of the Most High. Pampered son of the Most High. It's like, don't spend the money, Mike. I'll send someone else to send to you. The same money that you gave me. God is good. God is good. Wow. So this thing has like an inner layer. Don't mind me, this is my first time wearing this kind of jacket. It has an inner layer of thickness.
Oh, okay. That's what it looks like. Oh wow.
It's a thermal. You know what it is? Hey, this song. Must not hot. The thing goes crack. Pa 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 pa. Skibbity pa. Skibbity pa pa.
Who just spat on me, guys?
I'm a dum 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 dum. Hey, scria.
Please, can we cool down on the excitement? Can we cool down?
Can you shop or me man's not? Anyway, guys, I think I play too much on this channel.
You play too much.
I play too much.
Way too much.
I play too much. Guys, I'm a very responsible man. I'm a grown ass man. Like,
Please, who is asking me for a story?
If any pom tower, Nagoro.
Yeah, so this is what we just opened. Tools, equipment. I think this is going to be the biggest challenge yet.
Yeah, but it will still be fine. These are the drawers.
Yeah.
It's not like those small ones, so it has stronger beams.
Are those the leg?
No.
A very big elastic. Okay.
àwọn tools yìí lágbára ṣá. These tools are.
Uncle Paul, are you intimidated?
My back don't pay me and I never start. Oh yeah. What are we beginning to do?
Let's do this.
I'll put the tools up here.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
Guys, my people, my beloved Stalwart Fam. So this is what we have going on. Look at all this, guys. These are like the tools, the screws, the things. In fact, our screwdriver hand we suffer today. This is like supposed to be the head of the bed. These are the like drawers, the things we use as drawers. I think
These are supposed to be drawers. So
stuff on
it's
the
a
side.
bed with storage.
Yeah.
Look at wood everywhere. And
Right,
watch
guys.
all this
Turn into
turn to.
a bed. Do you guys believe in us?
Do you believe?
Do you believe you can do this? Just drop it in the comments.
Let us know if you think you can do this.
Or we'll just give up and call a professional.
No, at this junction, not giving up.
Oshé, at 19, sorry. All these tools, where will we be using them? See the second one.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow.
guys, update. This is where we've gotten to. My wife quickly went to make lunch because hunger wants to kill us. We have made the frame. We still have a long way to go. You can see the bed is making shape. This bed is a storage bed, so it has drawers under it. That's why we bought it, because our house is not the biggest, so we need to maximize storage. Yeah, this is the update. See you soon. In all circumstances, Daddy, Jesus, you are so good to me. I don't shop finish, energy don't come. My belly don't balance. Let's continue this bed.
I'll see you tonight.
Oh, join me when you're ready. Jesus, you are so good to me, oh daddy. Yeah, oh, Jesus, you are so good to me, oh yeah. In all circumstances, yeah.
This is where we are. After some good hours. Really gone far. Just screwing on. I screwed this side. This where's my finger? Yeah, this very long.
So after we're done with this,
Side.
this long metal here will go from here to the end. Then we put the wooden planks, those wooden planks behind you. They're called the box spring, but this time just spring. Not in a box.
Yeah. So we'll give you guys updates later. Guys, look at this.
It's coming
Just
together,
take
coming
Just
together.
take a look at this. Don't sit on it too.
I'm not gonna sit on it. Oh, my back.
Yeah, guys, so this is
Alright.
This is where we are.
What is remaining now is just the drawers.
Yeah.
And the bedsheet.
And we are done. Guys,
Honoring you.
let us show you the details of the work we just did. Guys, this is not even a small task. All that is placing the side table. Right, guys.
Like, look at the
Look at
details.
these details. Like, so we bought a bed with storage, and why did you have to drag it that much?
It's human strength. So what's left right now is just
And then
put
two other drawers here.
mattress on it. Yeah.
Yeah, literally. Let me use my leg.
Yeah.
Look, very soft clothing.
Yeah. Let's bring the mattress.
Yeah.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes.